Welcome to Part 5 of Basic Electrical Engineering. In this video, we'll explore how temperature affects electrical resistance, moving from the electron theory to thermodynamics. Matter is electrical in nature. Atoms have positive protons and negative electrons. Electrons orbit the nucleus at different distances, with energy increasing further out. The outer orbit electrons, or valence electrons, determine a material's electrical properties. The valence shell controls conductivity. Conductors have less than 4 valence electrons, which are easily detached. Semiconductors have exactly 4 and act as a bridge. Insulators have more than 4, and their electrons are tightly bound. Electric current is a directed flow. Metals have billions of free electrons. Voltage forces these free electrons to drift toward the positive terminal. 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb per second, which is about 6.25 by 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Resistance is caused by collisions. Electric fields accelerate free electrons, but they continuously collide with positive metal atoms. These collisions destroy electron velocity, generate heat, and this opposition is called electrical resistance. Temperature changes resistance. Heat adds kinetic energy to the material, changing how free electrons behave. This effect depends on the valence structure, causing conductors and insulators to react in opposite ways. In metals, heat increases resistance. Heat makes positive metal atoms vibrate faster, causing more electron collisions and higher resistance. Pure metals, therefore, have a positive temperature coefficient. For insulators and semiconductors, heat decreases resistance. Insulators hold valence electrons tightly, but thermal energy breaks bound electrons free. More free electrons mean better conduction. This is known as a negative temperature coefficient. Alloys, like Eureka and Constantan, are metal mixes designed for stable resistance. Their resistance increases only slightly with heat, and the change is irregular and negligible. This makes them ideal for precision electrical resistors. The temperature coefficient of resistance, alpha 0, measures the increase in resistance per ohm of original resistance for every 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature, starting from a baseline of 0 degrees Celsius. We can predict thermal resistance using the formula R_T equals R_0, 1 plus alpha underscore 0T. R_T is the new resistance at temperature T, R_0 is the original resistance at 0 degrees Celsius, alpha_0 is the temperature coefficient at 0 degrees Celsius, and T is the temperature rise. High temperatures degrade insulating materials. A rule of thumb is that every 10 degrees Celsius increase reduces equipment life expectancy by half. For instance, operating at 110 degrees Celsius instead of 100 degrees Celsius halves the life from 8 to 4 years. To summarize, valence electrons determine conductivity. Resistance is the physical collision of free electrons. Heat increases resistance in metals and decreases it in insulators. Alloys offer stable resistance, and heat significantly shortens equipment life.